They might be tiny, but these travel items are genius. These Amazon must-haves save space, solve problems, and totally level up my in-flight routine. Let's get into the small but mighty things I never fly without. Hi friends, welcome back to Always Lorna Marie. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite travel hacks, my hanging essentials kit. In addition to packing these small items in my bag, I also keep them clipped together on a carabiner keychain system so I can hang them directly off the seat pocket or the tray table latch, so no more digging through your personal item and no more germs from things rolling on the floor. Everything stays organized, clean, and easy to grab even during turbulence or tight spaces. Make sure to watch all the way to the end. It really helps my channel grow and keeps me creating more travel content for you. I'm actually so excited to hop into this video. These are all of my genius little tiny travel items that I absolutely cannot live without. And I've put them into a kit. This is just a suggested way to use all of these genius tiny little travel items. I have them on a keychain right now, which I also am going to be using when I go on road trips. If you don't know this, I'm a full-time RVer. We travel full-time. We've been doing it for the last 7 years. We also world travel. This is a great item to have in the back of your airline seat, right by your tray table, or on the little hook in your car for road trips. This has so many uses. These are my grab and go things. So we're gonna go through them one by one. Now, this does not replace my in-flight emergency kit that has everything, and I mean everything. That goes inside of my personal item bag. If you guys have not seen my in-flight bag, I will link it for you in the cards, and I will also link it in the blog post. Every single item that you guys see here will always be linked in a blog post down below, so you can find all of the products there. But I will link that video because that has all of my in-flight items. If something is not here, I will go into my in-flight emergency kit if I need to replenish anything. My thoughts are always redundancy is key. Always have multiple things of important items. And there are several redundant items that you will see here that you have seen in my other kits. And then there's some new items that I want to have on here that are accessible, easy to go when I'm sitting in my airline chair or if I'm on a road trip. The thing I want to talk about is how we are going to be hooking everything onto the back of our seat. This is called a hero clip. This is a device that you can hang essentially onto anything. And I've been using this for years. I wish they had cuter colors, but they don't. So you kind of have to get what you get. I'm going to give you guys a little peek in my RV. This is just a little gallery wall I have here, but I'm showing you guys my little hook. So like I said, there's that little rubber piece. And what's really neat is if you just go like that, your whole bag or whatever else you want, it will literally hook right here. So just imagine too, if you're in a bathroom or whatever and you want to hang your bag up. And I think it's amazing because it's somebody's trying to get by. This is pretty flat. Love having this. And then I will also clip my bag if I need to. At the very top of here, this is where the hero clip will go. And I will hook this on the back of the tray table. It's where the menus and all the things go, and this will hook perfectly right onto there, and this will stay hooked in. And like I said, I just love that it has multiple uses. So I wanted to show you guys, there is a very long keychain on here. I will link this. So it starts with this little gold one here and it ends with this little gold one. And there's a chain in the center. And that's what links all of my little mini travel items. So this is that little chain. I wanted to show you guys a little close-up of what it looks like when nothing's on it. I think these are amazing. You could attach two together. You can actually take these two little round clips off if you'd like to and use them for whatever you want. I think they're amazing. Now you can see this is how everything is hooked together, and when you tilt it forward, there it is. This is what it looks like hanging on a bag. So it is pretty big. So if you're not into that, you can also pack these in. You can just throw this whole keychain. You don't have to hang it on a bag, just put it inside of your bag. The reason why I came up with this is because it's kind of hard when you're in a middle seat. I had my husband on the right and another gentleman on the left in the window seat. And for me, I did not like having to keep pulling my backpack out and getting to my kit. And it's fine. But I just feel like this, if somebody's getting by, I don't have to move this. This can stay hooked up. They can still, the guy could have still went to the bathroom and I didn't have to keep pulling my bag in and out. I feel like you're in like a time warp, or you're just, it's very weird for me when I'm on a plane. It's almost like I'm lethargic. I can't think straight. I'm in like a time warp or something. So this for me is just everything I need right on the back of my seat. And you also have to buy things super quickly, you guys. If you do not get them, I'm getting messages like the bag's not available, because sometimes too, people will come to my videos and then they'll watch them a little bit later and then you miss out on the products. Once they're sold out, it's just kind of one of those things. I want to be very detailed for you guys because that's how I am, and I know you guys are my people. Not everybody is this detailed. There is a little hook right here, and this is a string. This is for, I feel like, cards at work when you scan in and out. But what I did is I added a little miniature flashlight. Turn it on for you guys. Okay. So now if it's hooked on and I want to see, if it's still hooked on the back of my seat, I can still pull it off and I can see what's going on. I don't have to unattach it, but the beauty is this is on a hook, so I could take it off if I would like to. So I have that flexibility. So you can go like this if you're just looking for something quick, or you can take the entire clip off, which I absolutely love that. This is a very, very tiny little flashlight, but I believe it is the perfect amount of strength and it doesn't take up a lot of space, which I love. Next in order is this guy right here. I actually added this gold. I will add the keychain and things that I added, you guys, because a lot of these didn't come with gold keychains for some reason. They all came with silver or different ones. And so I took some apart from another kit, and I'll let you guys know that in the blog post, which are which. This came with 2 more smaller ones, but I don't need all of those. I just want a larger bottle because some of them are really small of Tylenol. So this is full of all of Tylenol. I did not mark it because I don't need to. I know exactly what's inside of here. We have these 2 out of the way. And next in line is this guy right here. So this is a dog poop bag. And you're like, girl, what? Are you bringing your dog? I am not. I just think this is so handy. I love the way it looks. It's beige. It matches my aesthetic. I have a clip right here, a tiny little clip, which I always want to have access to a clip. Like I said, I don't want to have to dig in my bag for anything. And then when you open this up, I have quite a few things in here, which I'm going to show you. But as you can see, there are little bags right here that I can pull out. So I usually travel with my kids or my husband. And if there's trash, I just hate that there's trash on my table. I can't close my tray table if I want to go to sleep. If you want a very long haul flight, you will know exactly what I mean. If it's short, you're not going to have to deal with that. But if it's on a longer flight, you don't want to have to bother the stewardess. I take a little bag, I put all my trash in a bag, and I will stick it in the back of my chair, or I'll hang it up from one of these hooks. And then inside, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. We always have floss. I have 3 things of individually wrapped floss right on top in here because I usually travel with other people. And then I will replenish this as time goes on. And then in here, I just have a makeup wipe remover. I will always remove my makeup on a flight if it's a long haul flight. I do not like the way makeup feels when I'm traveling. So this one is perfect for me. I can actually fit 2 in here. So I'll probably squeeze another one in there. I like using 2 when I take my makeup off. If you've seen my last video, you will know that in my in-flight bag, I have wipes that I wipe everything down. I have my Clorox wipes, and then I keep even more emergency ones inside of my in-flight emergency kit. These are extra, so if I need to wipe my hands after I'm eating or whatever the case may be, those will be right here, easy and accessible for me if I spill something. So another thing that I would maybe have in here is another shout wipe. I have shout wipes, but I love Tide stick pens, and those are in my in-flight kit. I don't think that that's as important for me to get to, but it's in my in-flight bag if I need to. And then I just have a couple of Band-Aids for my kids if they need those. I have lens wipes, so once I take my contacts off, I can clean my glasses. And the last thing in here, I just have little miniature eye drops. These are individual packs, which I love. And then I want to show you guys, as you can see, I have a little tiny roll. I'll just use a little tiny piece. Let me show you how much I put in here, just so I have more room for all of my other stuff. And then for this one, I'm going to show you guys as well how I put everything back inside of this one, because I know some of you guys like to do my kits exactly the way that I do them, which I love. And I'm so glad that I inspired you guys and gave you guys some ideas. Then we're going to put our lens wipes. We're going to put our Band-Aids, and then we're going to stick a bunch of our floss. Then we're going to take our Neutrogena wipes, and I grab the other one. Okay. To close her up, and there she is. So the next item is this, which I love this because sometimes I was on an airplane and the AC was off or it went out right before we took off. It was terrible. I would have loved to known the temperature. And then for emergencies, it also has a compass on it, and then it has a little magnifying glass. So I think this is great. I did trade this out for my own little clip so it would match everything. Next up, we have a little gold pen, and when you press this down to use it, it pops right off. So that way it doesn't have to stay attached. The thing is, if you bump it, I'm warning you now that it will come off. I've done it a couple of times, so you just got to keep that in mind. I love that it's gold. It seems very sturdy. Love that. And I feel like having a pen when you're on the airplane is so important. So next up on our little chain here, this is such a cute little thing here. It looks like a little futuristic teddy bear. Open the top. Okay. And we have little baby nail clippers. And nail clippers are allowed through TSA. And then you close them back up. My husband wants to steal these from me. He already tried to claim them. I was like, I'll get you your own. Squeeze down at the bottom and then they close back up. But like, how cute. Okay, so that was our next little item. And then now we have 3 different things attached to here. So I'm gonna go to this. This is a little charger. How cool is that? So yes, you can plug your charger in on the airplane. It usually takes USB. Now, if you don't have a USB and it's an emergency, you can plug it in right here. Or you can also plug in your Apple Watch, which is amazing. You can also charge this thing. So while you're in the airport, if you're in a hurry, you will have an external charger. So I love that it's on a keychain. This is really nice to have. Next on the chain here, we have this guy, which is a hand sanitizer. So we've all seen one of these before. You can put whatever you want in it, but hand sanitizer is what I use because I have a couple little bottles full of things inside this little mini backpack, which I'm gonna show you guys. So this is just hand sanitizer. I have here is this tiny itty bitty little baby backpack. I am missing an item out of here, which is my contact case. I just broke it, which is very unfortunate, but I have a very flat, small contact case that I will also link for you guys in the blog post below. But like I said, I do not like my makeup on, and I also do not like having my contacts in when I'm sleeping on the plane. So I take my contacts out and I put my glasses on every single time. So in this front pocket here, I have 2 little hair ties. These are the best hair ties. I will link those as well because they are my absolute favorite. They're so soft. There's no little metal thing, and I've rebought them probably 10 times. They're the best. That's what goes in that little front pocket here. Then inside here, we're gonna open this up. You're gonna get an aerial shot like we always do. She's pretty packed in there. You saw that I had floss in the other one. I could probably stick this where the floss is, but you guys know I always have these wisp toothbrushes. And then I always have a million drink packets. This will get lighter once we drink these, but I will probably use all 4 of them. I do have a snack bag in my personal item bag where I have a million of those and snacks and all kinds of other stuff. These are just little things, like I said, I just don't want to have to reach for, and they'll be right in front of me. Then we have a Listerine pack. I think these are great, small, don't take up a lot of space. Then we have some little mini tweezers. I know you can get these like at Sephora or different things, but this is a super tiny, tiny little lip balm. I did buy the keychain for a lip balm that's a little bit bigger than this for the keychain, but I just felt like it was a little much, and I'd rather just stick it in the little backpack. And I actually used the keychain. That's what the extra keychains were from. I'll show it to you guys. So if you do want a keychain for your lip balm, I'll link that for you guys. I just did not end up using it for this kit. Then we have 2 of these bottles here. One has my contact solution. Like I said, I have to have this, and I'm so glad that it's nearby. If you guys like the font on this label maker, I will link the label maker as well because this font is everything. Since I'm gonna be using a bunch of sanitizer on my hands, having a little bottle of lotion. I love these little bottles. They're so tiny and they fit perfectly in this little backpack. Love that. I'm actually gonna put everything back in here so you can see how I put it in here. But I just put 2 little bottles here, and then we can stick all those in there, and we shove it on the side, as well as this little guy right here. And we take this little Listerine, and she'll go right here on the side of here. And now we are packed and ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed my hanging essentials kit. I hope it makes life easier for you guys when you travel. Like I said, everything is going to be linked for you in the description box in a blog post. I also have printable travel checklists to help you stay organized and stress-free on your next trip, and those will be linked there for you as well. If you made it to the end, drop me a key emoji in the comments so I know you're a part of the travel crew that stays to the very end. I appreciate you guys watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out that description box for all of your links and resources. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and until next time, I'm always your girl, Lorna Marie. Bye.